Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review the AI Amplifier Club. The AI Amplifier Club is a membership program designed to help people learn and use AI for business, productivity, and content creation. Members receive weekly training, coaching, AI tools, and access to a community for learning and collaboration. It is often offered alongside other programs as part of an upgrade. Now let's check the pros and cons. On the positive side, the club offers expert-led training with content coming from recognized business mentors and AI experts, giving credibility to the lessons. It provides structured AI education, including organized sessions, tools, and guidance for applying AI in workflows, marketing, and content. Members also benefit from community support through a private member community for sharing results, asking questions, and networking. On the downside, the value can be confusing, as it is sometimes unclear which content is included in the club versus other programs, leading to uncertainty about what you are paying for. It requires active use, since the real benefit comes only if members actively participate, and casual members may feel it is not worth it. Membership is not a quick shortcut, and it does not guarantee business results or instant AI expertise. Consistent effort is needed. There are some hidden details to consider. The program is often bundled with other training events, so costs should be checked carefully. Benefits are tied to active participations in lessons and the community, and it's not ideal for people expecting instant results or shortcuts. It is good for people who want structured AI learning and community support, members already involved in related AI programs, and users willing to put in effort and actively engage. Not ideal for anyone expecting instant results, people who dislike recurring payments, and users seeking clear, independent proof of value before joining. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.